and today I'm gonna show you how to get rich in BitLife. So guys, it's actually very easy. I'm just gonna go in the game and I will show you. Okay, this is not my games. Where is all my game? Okay, here it is. Okay, so it's very easy to get rich in BitLife, like very easy. We're just gonna wait for the game to load. I'm doing this on screen recorder. Okay, so I'm just gonna test if the sound works on this thing. Okay guys, so first you're gonna try to get to $1 million or euros. As you can see, I already have, because of my dad died in the game. So yeah, and okay, now you see I have $1 million. Okay, so now you try to age to 20. So I will pause this video and come back when I'm at 20, okay? Okay, as you guys can see, now I am 20 years old. So then you go to activities and you go way down to shopping. Remember, you must have $1 million or euros, whatever you have. Then you go to any jewelry place. Then you go buy this ring. I know, and then you must at least have $100,000 left. Then you go to love, celebrity dating, make it female, make it 18 to 19, and make it model. So let's try it. Okay, go on a date. You are now dating her. Okay, I'm dating her now. So now you go to her, go way down, propose. Let's choose friends wedding, propose to her. Okay, so now she's your fiance. Then you go way down, wedding. Any place. I normally take the golf course and at Canada. Then you say select plan. Then you say do it. Then you must say agree to sign prenup. And you see, look at my money. Look at that, guys. You're rich now. So that's how you get rich in BitLife.